Hi, I'm Pat. Okay, in this problem, they've given us a triangle, and what they're asking us for is to find the unknown angles, the unknown angle measures. And in this case, it's actually all three. All three of my angles are expressions, but I don't know exactly how big the angle is. If I just knew what value x was, then I could figure it out, and that's what we're going to do. So in order to get these exact angle measures for each of the three, I'm definitely going to use these expressions that they gave me, but I also need to bring something else to the table. A very important fact that I'm sure you've learned is that if I do have a triangle, the sum of the angles has to add up to 180 degrees. You know that, right? So the setup for me for this problem then is to take the 16x degrees that they've told me the one angle is. I'll add that to the next one that they've given me, the 18x degrees. And then the third angle, the 11x degrees, I add that as well. That gives me my sum of the angles of the triangle, and like you told me, that should end up equaling 180 degrees. Okay, good. Now we get to have some fun with algebra, because these three terms are like terms, and I can combine them then, combine the like terms. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 44, 45x degrees. But if we just drop the degrees on both sides of the equal sign, then we're still solving for x. Here I get 45x equals 180, or x equals 4. And you're in good shape now then in terms of knowing the value of x, but we haven't answered the question yet where they wanted us to find the unknown angles. I now want to plug that value of 4 in for x. There, also there, also there. So my angle A will equal the 16x degrees that was given to us in the problem, but now I know that x is that value of 4. So this equals 16 times 4 degrees, which is 64 degrees for my angle A. Okay, we'll do the same thing for our other two angles. We'll take the expression that was given to us, in this case for angle B, 18x degrees. I'll put in that same value of x that we figured out using our algebra. This is 18 times 4 degrees, which in this case becomes 72 degrees. One more, angle C. The expression they gave us was 11x degrees. I know you know what I'm doing now is I'm going to take that 4 and plug it in for x, and that looks like a nice 44 degrees. Okay, good. Those are my answers, and if you want a real quick check, you could go ahead and add up these three values, and you should get 180. Okay? Try some on your own too, though.